Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable drag and drop between your main Windows operating system and a Windows operating system running inside VirtualBox. Right now, drag and drop and copy-paste options are not working. I will guide you through a step-by-step method to fix this issue. Step 1. Go to the Devices menu, select Drag and Drop, and choose the bidirectional option. Now, let us check whether the drag and drop feature is working. As you can see, it is still not working, and the error is still present. Step 2. Go to the Devices menu again. Click on Insert Guest Additions CD image. Once you click on it, a VirtualBox Guest Additions CD will appear under this PC. Open the CD. Here you will see VirtualBox Windows Editions for both 32-bit and 64-bit virtual machines. In this case, the virtual machine is 64-bit. So select Box Windows Editions AMD 64. Install the setup. After the installation is complete, select Reboot Now and click Finish. Step 3. After the virtual machine starts again, try dragging and dropping a file from the host system to the VirtualBox operating system. As you can see, drag and drop is now working successfully. But wait, drag and drop is still not working when moving files from the VirtualBox guest system to the main operating system. Let me show you how to fix this. Step 4. Important step. Shut down the Windows operating system inside VirtualBox. Close the VirtualBox application completely. Go to the Start menu. Type VirtualBox. Right-click on VirtualBox and select Run as Administrator. Running VirtualBox as Administrator resolves this issue. Now, let us test it again. As you can see, files can now be successfully dragged and dropped from the guest operating system to the host operating system. The drag and drop feature is now fully working in both directions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.